Hi everyone, today we have You Watanabe from Love Live Sunshine in her Uranohoshi school uniform. This is the SSS figure by Furyu, featuring her signature cheerful peace sign pose. Character profile: You Watanabe. Second-year student at Uranohoshi Girls High School. Birthday: April 17th. Personality and traits: talented swimmer, she is an elite swimmer with enough talent to be on the national team, especially in high diving. High energy: You is known for her energetic, positive, and tomboyish personality. She's the one who often lifts the spirit of the group. Uniform fanatic: she has a deep obsession with uniforms, sailor suits, pilot outfits, etc. This passion led her to become the main costume designer for Aqours. Signature catchphrase: her iconic line is "You Soro." A nautical term meaning all clear or keep going straight, usually accompanied by a salute.